The indoor air pollution problem is now recognized as the major contributory cause for the increase in cardiorespiratory illnesses. This is then further impacted upon by the growth and demand for energy-efficient buildings and ventilation systems, which create an environment more like a tightly sealed box with no ventilation. VORT have already identified a solution to overcome this problem by manufacturing a heat recovery system that is able to filter the air and create a much healthier indoor environment. To manage the indoor environment of air quality problems, three factors must be taken into consideration: solid particulate, bacterial presence, and external environmental pollutants. The requirement is to develop systems to control and minimize the impact of these three factors. Solid particulate is created by traffic jams as a result of stationary vehicles' exhaust emissions, and we all think it is just an outdoor problem. That is not the case. Solid particulate can easily be reduced by the use of filtering systems. However, the only problem is that filters have to be cleaned regularly and changed when they become blocked. The bacteria problem is also underestimated. Just think that every year in Italy, in hospitals alone, 700,000 people become infected and 15,000 die. We all understand how easy it is to catch infectious diseases in public environments. The real difficulty with bacteria is that even if filtration systems are used to block them, bacteria will breed on those surfaces if they are not regularly maintained. We all know that air conditioning systems are often what the main cause of bacterial infections are, the result of poor maintenance. To lower environmental pollutants, we use catalytic converters on our vehicles, which are able to reduce oxidized chemical airborne pollutants, thus reducing their impact on the environment. A similar form of filtration as this can also be created in homes using what is called photocatalysis. Surfaces must be designed to allow these processes to take place. A catalytic converter needs high temperatures. In homes, that is not possible, so we can use UV light. If we illuminate and coat filters which block bacteria, we can deactivate them, preventing them from proliferating on these filters. In the Milan Polytechnic, we have been jointly studying these problems for some time now and have developed surface coatings for filters which, combined with photocatalysis, as I previously mentioned, will enable us to solve all three problems simultaneously: the particulate, bacteria, and environmental pollution elements. Patents have been applied on this research work, and they have been granted to a university spin-off department and are now ready to be marketed. VORT are now presenting VORT-HA, a controlled cross-flow mechanical ventilation system integrating antibacterial treatment with normal heat recovery ventilation using supply air from outside. The HA system, heat recovery with antibacterial, basically includes two elements: a VORT heat recovery unit and a filtering unit with antibacterial properties. When activated with specific valves, the outgoing flow of air is blocked and diverted towards a special antibacterial filter, treated with chitosan and titanium dioxide-based solution. A special hatch access panel on the outside of the unit makes changing the filter easy, and it can be removed safely as it contains no active bacteria. The air purification cycle includes air exchanging with heat recovery and antibacterial filtering. The cycle can be activated automatically through a preset program or manually by the user, based upon individual requirements.